Assalamualaikum to our lecturer, Professor Madian S. Dr. Muhammad Zahir bin Hassan. My name is Muhammad AKMAR bin Abdul Manap, and now our group will present about conduction graphical analysis on heat. For introduction, as we know, heat has three different ways such as convection, conduction and radiation. Conduction, when the process by heat energy is transmitted through collisions between neighboring atom or molecule. Conduction heat transfer is the transfer of heat through matter like solids, liquid or gas without bulk motion of the matter. And heat equation for steady conduction is known as a Fourier's law equation of conduction, and the equation is already given. For objective, we have three objectives. First, learn how to sketch using SolidWorks software, and then manage to run the heat transfer simulation. And number three, recognize basic approach in saving energy in cooling or heating.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad NAZRIN bin BAHARUDIN from 2 Bmmh section 1/2 with number matric B0920010034. So here we have two design for this project. So first design, for the fin surface. For the heat transfer, we have a sharp type like fin surface. From this side, we design the surface start from triangle, and all we use surface area with 40 times 40 mm, and height of the fin, the dimension of the fin is 40.11 mm, and from this design we able to fit 8 fin inside this 40 times 40 mm. So next, this is the dimension and full view of the fin surface that we design. So the gap between the fin, the end of the fin is, and other fin is 5 mm, and the gap between the base and the fin is 4.92 mm. So next, this is our second design. So it also have 40 times 40 base area, mm for mm, and height of the fin is 45 mm, and the amount of fin inside this design is 20 fin. So inside this fin we use line with angle 45 degrees from the 90 degrees line. So here is the dimension of the second design. So gap between each fin in this design is 2 mm, and basic height of the fin is 40. And next is the gap between before the starting line of the fin and the base is 5 mm, and the surface area of this block is 40 times 40. So from these two design, we choose design 1 as it have the better heat transfer properties compared to this design 2. We choose design 1. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum sir, my name is Muhammad ROSLI, and I will explain about the result. For now we have two design, which are design 1 and design 2. We can see the differences between the fin type. So for design 1, dissipate heat uniformly. Like from the bottom, you can see that the red color one is we have to differentiate Kelvin. So the red color one is 8.293 exponent power of 2, and the blue one is means it is the coolest point on this fin, which are 8.200 exponent power of 2. For the second design, we can see that heat dissipate not so good for this one, and there are only 1 or 2 fin that have the blue color. So this one, the heat starts at highest at 5.6 to 7 exponent of 2 until the coolest is 5.399 exponent power of 2. So based on these two design, design 1 has better heat dissipation.
The whole surface of this fin is exposed to a surrounding fluid with temperature of T infinity and a convection heat transfer coefficient of H infinity. Conduction happens when the solid body of the fin and convection takes place between the surface of the fin and the fluid surrounding it. Next, when the temperature is lower, so the length and surface are maybe increased, then the heat transfer from surface area is increased when we added the more fin. The amount of heat transfer depends on its driving mechanism and the resistance involved the process. Lastly, then the maximum heat of the fin is the ideal situation that is used for evaluate for the efficiency of the fin. For conclusion, is the best design of conduction heat transfer is design 1. This is because the structure of design 1 are made of more fins compared to design 2, which result in increased efficiency of conduction heat transfer as it can transfer heat more faster between each fin. These designs are suitable to be used for the product due to more fins are surface that extended from an object to increase the rate of heat transfer to the environment by increasing convection. That's all. Thank you.